Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to share with you my March design team package that I have received from ASC Crafts. So guys, like always, I'm going to have everything listed in the description box so you guys can go check it out. And I'm going to also leave your discount code on there, so that you can take advantage of a wonderful discount, because they have so many products. They have so many new things that, oh my gosh. Anyway, so I did get a couple of rice papers, which is what we're going to start out with, this first one. And this is from Stamperia. And oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. I know there's a glare, but I don't want to take it out because you can actually see it. And this is so pretty. I've never worked with rice paper, but I am looking forward to working with this. And I know I have something planned for this. So I am hoping I'm going to bring you along with my project when I start this one. And I am going to hope that it turns out good, because like I said, I've never worked with rice paper. So we are going to make something very, very pretty with this. This is just gorgeous. They have so many that I just didn't know what to get. Then when I saw this one, I'm like, yep, that's the one. So we are going to work with this one. That here is the order number for the product number for that one. And yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm very excited. So along with that one, I got another one. And this one is ltdcollection.com. Okay, so it's LTD Collection. And this is also so gorgeous. Guys, we are making a wedding album with some of the paper pads that I received. And this is going to make just a gorgeous cover for that wedding album that we're going to make. And I just love it. Oh my gosh, I just love this. So this is the second decoupage or rice paper that I received. And then I got a paper pad, which is Stamperia Little Girl. This is so pretty. I don't have a little girl, but that's not to say that I can't use it for something. So anyway, this is gorgeous. All right, okay, so here's the Stamperia, and where's the print? This is the front, and it looks like it's glued on the sides versus the top. That's cool. That's different. Let me move my coffee. Anyway, Stamperia Little Girl. This is, the colors are so soft. They're muted, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at this little girl. Isn't she adorable? Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I need to flip a little quicker because this video is going to go on too long. I love this page. Look at that. I love the brown with the pink. Oh my gosh, look at that. She's getting older. And look at the beautiful frames on the back. Oop. Chicken's falling. Look at that. Oh man, that's beautiful. And then the one with the little banners. I just love this paper. There she is. She's a lot older now. Oh my goodness. Look at this paper. Oh, this page is just gorgeous. Man, that's beautiful. And this is, okay, and this is the last one, I believe. So it does repeat. Oh, that is so beautiful. So anyway, that is Little Girl, Stamperia Little Girl. And there is the product number for this one, just in case you are looking specifically for this one. This is gorgeous. Okay, and the next paper pad that I got I ordered 2 of these because remember I said we're going to make a wedding album. So I ordered 2 of these to make sure that we are going to have enough. And that, again, this one's from Stamperia, and it's Stamperia Wedding. And where is the item number? Here is the item number for that one. Just because this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And these are the pages that are in there. I don't want to make this too long, guys, so I'm not going to take it out because I have other things I need to show you. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I like that they have the guy, you know, the male in here as well. They represent the male in here as well, not just the female. A lot of times we get just the female. You know, it's geared towards females, but I chose this one because it is geared towards the male as well. And then the last paper pad that I got, guess what it is? Dun, dun, dun. Remember I said it's Spring Parade by Blue Fern Studios. Here is the product number for that one. And remember they had sent me one sample page. I said, I have got to get this one. So I sure did. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful collection. So there is the front page, the first page. Oh my gosh, that is the colors, or I'm sure the camera's not picking up the colors as beautiful as they are. Oh, look at this one. How pretty is that? And then here's the next page. Oh, purple. I love purple. Here's the next one. And I love their border around the page. Oh, look at this little birdie. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. So yeah, guys, Easter is around the corner. Look at this page. Wow. I love this page. Easter is around the corner, guys. And you know, we're going to start getting busy, you know, doing this and that. Look at this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Vintage bunny there. And here's another purple dominant page. The purple is dominant. Oh, that is pretty. And then this one's very pretty as well. Oh, the baby chicks at the bottom. Pretty, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. And this is the page that I received a sample of. This is what made me fall in love with this collection, the back. And look at this one. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I love that. And then some 4x4s. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. That is so pretty. And then the back of that. Guys, this is a gorgeous collection. Just so you guys know, it's a gorgeous collection. Okay, so that was all for paper pads. Let me hang on. I got some flowers, so let me bring those out. Look at these, guys. How pretty are these going to? Let me take one out for you. There's the item number for that. Let me take one out for you. How pretty will this look on that album? Oh, it's a whole little stem thing. It's a little, they're all connected by a little stem. Look at that. That is beautiful. Just love these flowers. So pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I got those. Then of course, I had to get some white leaves because we're doing, you know, a wedding album. There's that. And then, oh, guys, I have to show you. I believe, okay, so let me show you this. I received some of these, I think it was during Halloween for the embellishment box swap. And I fell in love with these. I mean, they are beautiful. There's the item number. Guys, you can get a discount on these. So I ordered a package of those. And then Okay. So when I'm making mini albums, guys, you know that I'm horrible at the corners. So I ordered this little tool that will help me, you know, with the corners. So I haven't figured out how to use it, but this is going to help me cut enough paper off the corners to wrap the mini albums. So I have not read through it. I'm going to learn how to use it, and you will see me use it with the next project. Okay, now I have got to show you some of the flowers that I believe they just started carrying these. Look at these tiny little rosebuds. Look at that. I believe these are called hip roses. And look at that. Oh my goodness, they're so, and they're mulberry paper, so they are soft. Not soft, but you know, they're not plastic or foam. So these are so pretty. I did order those, and then I ordered the smaller ones. Look at these. Oh my goodness, for fillers, these are going to be so gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful rosebuds. And then I ordered some white ones. These are bigger ones. If I'm not mistaken, these are the 10 millimeter. Could be 6, could be 10. I have to look it up, but I think they're 10. And these are going to go on that wedding album. And then I ordered, these are the 6, I believe. So these are even tiny, but they're open roses. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So that was my design team package. But I did take advantage of the discount. And I did order something. I ordered the 3D Leafy Accents shaping mold. Now I do use a lot of leaves, and I love the way these turn out. So I said, I have the stamp, but I don't have the shaping mold, and I don't have the die cut. So there is the item number for that. And guys, you know I love Heartfelt, and I love their molds. And here we go. There is that. And it'll, you know, you stamp it, cut it, and then you run it through the mold, and it'll shape it for you. Let me take the mold out, guys, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, guys, this is what the mold looks like. After you stamp and cut your leaves, you open this mold up, and you put your die cuts in here, and then you spritz it with water, and you put the lid, you know, the top back on there, and you run this through your excuse me, you run this through your die cut machine with both plates. I have a Sizzix Big Shot. You run it with both plates. When you take it out, it is shaped and molded for you. Guys, these are awesome. Anyway, that was my treat with my discount code, which I will provide for you guys. And yeah, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, because I have enjoyed opening the box and sharing everything with you. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. I really, really do appreciate it.